Hello everyone, this is Matthew Breedlove with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group at Royal LePage in the Parksville Qualicum Beach area. I'm standing in front of number 5150 Christie Road. It's located in the wonderful adult park at Clover Acres Villa. It's got surrounded by trees, it's got a beautiful back deck with a hot tub. Been completely renovated inside. You're going to love it. Can't wait for you to go inside and have a look. And I look forward to talking to you later. And any information or questions you might need, just give us a call at the O's Galloway Real Estate Group and we'll help you out.